Hey guys, it's Miss Walton. Look, I just wanted to go ahead and give you a heads up. I'm about to post it's just going to be the first part to these vocabulary pages. I didn't want you to have to keep waiting for me to get a recording of all of the parts of it, but these are very important, the ones that I'm about to post, and I thought it would be good for me just to go over it a little bit by myself without the class involved. They're all at lunch right now, so it gives me a few minutes to help you guys out. So what I want to make sure that everybody's getting from this lesson is there is a lot of different meanings to vocabulary words, and everybody needs to practice using context clues and finding ways to recognize words that you don't understand. That way, when you're taking tests and you come across a word that you do not know, if you've taken time to learn your root words, your prefixes, suffixes. Sorry about that. The recording went off on me. It probably is saying you're talking too long. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Sorry before it cut me off. These 4 vocabulary pages, each time that we are doing them, I don't want you to think you're doing this just to look up a word and learn the definition. There's reasons why you're doing this. It's to understand that words have different meanings. For example, you're going to see that we're going to talk about motive. There's 2 different meanings for motive. There's probably more than that. For burden, you're going to see there's 4 or 5 different vocabulary definitions. But based on the sentence that they give you when you first are starting, that's important. You're not just sitting there looking at it and you're looking up the definition, okay? You need to actually read the sentence and understand, okay, which word, based on a definition that I found in the dictionary or from my phone, okay? You can look it up on your phone too, I get that. Okay, sorry, it cut me off again. So the main thing I wanted y'all to get out of this is there's going to be multiple meanings. So what you've got to make sure that you're doing in the event that, when you're taking these tests is look for context clues that within the sentence. A lot of kids, they're just going and finding the first word that they see in the dictionary as the meaning, and then they're writing it down, and that's completely wrong. That is exactly what I do not want you to do. It's fine if you want to put a whole bunch of different definitions, but you've got to be able to read that sentence and then pick the best one that goes with the definition that goes with that sentence. Some are not going to make sense. Okay? So remember how I keep talking about being a defensive reader? This is what I'm talking about. You got to be a defensive reader. Okay? One thing that I also forgot to go over was the 4 writing rules. They're getting really, really big on making sure that y'all are paying attention, investing time in going over these rules, okay? They are to, they're backwards, sorry. Let me flip it. So right here, 4 quick write rules to follow. Teachers, remind students to follow these 4 rules for every quick write. Now, just ignore the fact that it says quick write and do this all the time, okay? You should do this all the time. Always write in complete sentences. We begin every sentence with a capital letter and finish every sentence with an ending mark. Start on your paragraphs, indent. So if we can just please make sure that you're taking time. I know the paragraph indentation part is important, but like for our reading class, since a lot of times we're just, doing skills and learning different skills. And when we do warm up, sometimes we're doing a little bit of writing, but for the majority, I would like to see complete sentences, starting with a capital letter. That's huge. Okay. Let's start baby steps, because I'm seeing a lot of people actually starting their words with lowercase. Now, we're in 7th grade now, okay? So let's get with the program. Capital letters go at the beginning and end with a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. It's that simple, guys. Let's don't make this harder than it is, okay? So let's start with those, and we'll have baby steps, okay?